Hi Sriz, my name is Srijita and welcome back to my channel Sriz Palette. Hello everyone, how are you all? If you are new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe as I upload interesting art and craft videos here. Do you know what I am going to make today? I think most of you have guessed by seeing the thumbnail, and if you have not yet guessed then don't worry as I am going to tell you now. Actually, I am going to visit Kolkata this week, and every time I hear the word Kolkata, the first thing that comes in my mind is Inside Out, which is my favorite YouTube channel. So that's why I thought to make something beautiful for them. So this is the thing that I am going to make today. So basically I am making lippen art, and for making this you need molded clay. And I am using powder here to prevent the stickiness of the clay. Spread the powders in your hand and your base. Now mix the two compounds very nicely, and if you don't mix it nicely then your clay will not get hard after drying. Now you have to stick all the pieces you have made in your base with glue. Make sure the glue is strong enough to stick all the pieces properly. Do you know I never miss their vlogs? They are so interesting that I watch every day. By the way, if you also watch Inside Out, then don't forget to comment down below. I will be happy to know. Now it is dry, so that's why I am going to paint it white now. And one thing I am going to tell you all, that please subscribe my channel and like and share as well, as I am losing views on my videos and shorts, so please help me. I know you all will help me to get more views on my channel. Now I am going to stick all the mirrors properly. Wait, the video has not ended yet. I am using Mod Podge here as I don't have varnish now. You can use Mod Podge as varnish also. Look how beautiful it is looking. Now the surprise is here. I was so happy to hear that they liked my gift and showed in their video. I cannot believe that she is holding my gift in her hand. If you want to watch the full video, then check this video.